Hello and welcome back to Mark's Electrical Studio. Today I have the pleasure of reviewing LG's OLED 55E7N 55-inch 4K Ultra High Definition OLED TV. New for 2017, this amazing piece of technology has been described as ridiculously good looking and drop dead gorgeous by some review sites, and who are we to disagree? But the design of this product is only half the story. Every aspect of this TV's performance impresses. Picture, sound, user interface, connectivity, it really is something to get excited about. But back to that design. The picture on glass screen is ultra thin, like it's from a sci-fi movie. The bezel is clear glass and the stand encompasses the speaker system. The electronics had to go somewhere, so the back of the TV is thicker at the bottom, but it still manages to look good. It's a design masterpiece. This TV is fully loaded with the latest teletech to delight your eyes. OLED technology gives the best blacks ever and all the shadow detail that goes along with that. It's a 4K ultra high definition 10-bit 120Hz screen that's HDR10, Dolby Vision and HLG compatible. And that means 8 million screen pixels for immense detail, 1 billion colour shades and even more brightness. Last year's OLEDs displayed staggeringly good pictures, but now even they have been surpassed. If only our cameras could do it justice. Gamers will be in game heaven with this picture and an input lag of 21.3 milliseconds in game mode, even in 4K HDR, with standard mode showing 88 milliseconds. Sound wise, there's 40 watts of 2.2 channel audio with Dolby Atmos straight from the box. It needs a bit of tweaking to add a little bit of bass, but after that it was immersive and clear. The Web OS user interface has been the best for some time now, and the 3.5 version has new features like 360-degree view, OLED gallery and even full screen karaoke. The Magic Remote has voice control and it's got Amazon Prime and Netflix hot buttons. Let's take a quick look. Okay, here's the Magic Remote cursor moving around the screen, and if I press the home menu button, the tabs pop up at the bottom, a familiar sight for Web OS users. The LG TV Plus icon brings up the Magic Mobile Connection dialog, which helps you link up your mobile device in a much more usable way than before. Down at the bottom you can scroll through the various option tabs or tiles, which have a nice new look. It's smooth and moving too, as you'll see as I slide across. There's some old familiar icons or tiles along there. Now if you go along to the end on the white one, it's edit mode, where you can reposition or delete the tabs or tiles that you don't want. So customization is possible. There are 3 more quick menu options at the top. So if you've used Web OS before, you will notice a big improvement, and if you haven't, you will love Web OS. Okay, let's have a look at the dimensions and the connectivity. There's an on-stand height of 767 millimeters. The width of the product is 1237 millimeters. The stand depth is 175 millimeters, and the stand width again is 1237 millimeters. Off stand, the height again is 767. The width again is 1237, and the depth or the thickness of the TV is 57 millimeters. Connectivity includes RF-in. There's 2 satellite connections, 4 HDMI 2Bs, there's 2 USB 2s and 1 USB 3, built-in Wi-Fi, LAN, common interface, digital audio out, RS-232 and headphone stroke speaker out. So summing up, this has to be one of the best TVs ever. LG's belief in OLED when all the others dropped out means that we can still get to see and enjoy this fantastic technology. And now Sony, Panasonic, Philips, Toshiba and Bang & Olufsen's OLED TVs all have LG panels in them. For great viewing angles, fast refresh rates, deep blacks and supreme image quality. And you could have one in your home tomorrow, free delivery with a 2-hour time slot from Marks Electrical. And that's next day and weekends included. Just click on the link in the description panel to order one right now.